Hi, Wow Worders! I can't wait for us to get started, so grab your vocabulary journals and a pencil, and we're going to begin. Our first wow word, actually our only wow word for the week, but you're going to think that there's two root words in there, but there's really only one. So our word is overfill, O-V-E-R-F-I-L-L. So over is a root word. You can go over something, and fill is a root word. But today we're going to have fill be our root word. And when you fill up your cup, you're putting as much in as you can. So to put in as much as you can. I might have to shrink that a little bit. It's a little big. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So fill, fill, you're filling up your cup of water, you're putting as much in as you can. So with overfill, that's the prefix that we're really going to be focused on. The prefix is over, and you could put over in front of a bunch of words. And when you put over in front of something, it means too much. Now we're not talking about over like going over the hill. That's a word all within itself. When you put over in front of a root word, it means you've done it too much. So if you overfill your water cup, you have filled it too much, and now water is pouring over the side of it and making a huge mess. Let's think of some words that have the prefix over in front of them, like you've done it too much. This is a word that really pertains to Mrs. Hernan all the time. I overcook a lot of food. I burn it. The chicken is really hard to cut because I've cooked it for too long. So overcook is cooking it for too much, too long. It's those hamburgers, you could use them as hockey pucks. That's how hard they are. Another word I think of sometimes when you go to the store, you overpay. So if something costs $5 and you accidentally gave them $6, you overpaid for it. You paid too much. So when we see over in the beginning of a word, start thinking of overfill and think of too much. Can you think of any other words that have over in front of it? Take a picture and submit.